In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Look upon a person who says yes, always says yes to the people, to the demands of the people. What sort of person would it be? How would be the life of their, him or her? Obviously, the life is not going to be good. Why? Because she will always be exploited, manipulated, used, abused by the people. Why? Because does not have the ability to say no, does not have the guts to say no. Is it? Yes. So this means that it is important to to learn the art of saying no, the guts of saying no. Not all the time, not against each and every thing they ask for, not like that. But, but, try to understand first what is going to be the impact of it upon your own life. If it does not hurt you and it is going to benefit the other person, mean the whatever they are saying, whatever they are demanding, requesting, suggesting is ethically okay, morally okay, do it, cooperate it. If it is nourishing them, benefiting them, it will nourish us in return as well, benefit us in return as well. But if it is something which is not a win win situation and it is a zero sum game, benefiting them and hurting us, never say yes. Develop the ability, develop the guts to say no to them. It is an art of saying no. Politely but firmly. Learn the art of saying no. Politely but firmly. Okay? Yes. Then, what to do then? There are people who are our friends. Should we say yes to them always? No, not always. Sometimes yes, if it is suitable for us, yes. If it does not hurt us and suitable for them, even then it is okay. But otherwise, we should develop an ability to say no. Now, if at all a demand has arisen from our loved one, from any of those who are our loved ones, from any of those who are closer to us, then should we always say yes? Always yes is always bad. Mean never ever, never ever adopt this principle of saying yes almost all of the time. No. Learning to say no is a great art, politely but firmly. Politely but firmly. We must develop the ability to say no, even if they are our loved ones, even if they are very closer to us, even to someone who is closest to us, even someone who is our buddy, even someone who is our spouse. Learn to say no if it is necessary, and not only the closest person, rather we shall be able to say no even to we ourselves. We should be able to say no even to we ourselves. Yes or no? We should have the ability to say no even to we ourselves at certain occasions. Rather, we need to develop a skill. We need to develop a skill of saying no, even if the demand is from we ourselves. Because if at all we are saying yes against every demand, against everything, against every desire, against every impulse which arises out of our mind or heart, don't adopt the attitude of always saying yes. Learn to say no, even to yourself. I should learn to say no, even to myself. It is something very important. It is one of the most important arts ever. It is one of the most important arts ever. Really, I'm not overemphasizing it. It deserves an importance like this one. It is worth the importance like this one. That is so. Now, what to do? What to do? I think that we should not miss any opportunity to develop this skill in ourselves. We should always be learning the art of saying no, even to we ourselves. It is very important. It is really important. It is very important. It is really important. Why it is really important? Because it can protect us. It is actually a kind of protective shield. It protects us a lot. It protects us a lot. It protects us from the bad habits. It is the bad habits actually which spoils us, which destroys us. It is the bad decisions actually which spoils us and which destroys us. But if at all we have learned to say no to the people, to the general people, to the closer people, and even to we ourselves, let me tell you and let me assure you that we shall never be able we shall never put ourselves in the bad situations, in the bad habits. We shall be able to protect ourselves from all sort of bad habits, and we shall become our own best friends only because of the one reason. And the one reason was that we have learned the art of saying no to the people, not only to the people, but to the people who are very close to us, and not only the people who are very close to us, rather to we ourselves as well. We have learned the most important art ever. Let me tell you and let me say with enough amount of confidence that this is the most important art ever. This is one of the most important art ever. And this one of the most important art ever is learning to say yes and saying yes, learning to say no, and learning to say no even to we ourselves mean disciplining ourselves and developing the patience. Thank you. Jazakallah.